Hello and welcome to this video guide. I will show you step by step how to log in Slovenska Sportilana Bank, Slovakia. So go to Google, search for Slovenska Sportilana. This is the keyword. As you can see here, click the first website, click this website here, you will see this page. From to log in, click this internet banking, click the first website here. You will redirect it to this page. Just wait from here, this page. All you have to do, you have two options. Basically here, you have ID, login ID and password to log in. So all you have to do, write your ID and password and then set up your login steps. You can also use this app, Slovenska app. Download this app on App Store. This app exists in App Store. Download this app and then you can start log in with your own information with ID and password. Basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video.